1 year has passed since the High Plains saw its first COVID-19 case. Thanks for joining us. Andy Justice has this evening off. KAMR Local 4's Judd Baker takes a look back as we continue to bring you facts, not fear, topping our news tonight at 6. Cutting in this evening to announce the first 2 positive cases of COVID-19 here in Amarillo.
As a result of these positive tests, the city has issued a local disaster declaration.
Today marks 1 year since the city of Amarillo reported its first confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the Amarillo area.
It was known to be coming sooner or later.
The city, which had been operating under status level yellow, was officially launched into status level orange.
How you move through our community will directly affect our ability to control the spread of this disease.
While we were not given much information about the 2 patients, Casey Stoughton, the city of Amarillo's director of public health, said both were adults who had exposure related to travel outside the Amarillo area. Both were in isolation.
Good afternoon, everyone. We have some breaking news at the moment as the City of Amarillo Public Health Department has just received confirmation on the first COVID-19 death here in the Amarillo area.
6 days after the first confirmed cases came our first reported death. The Texas Department of State Health Services confirmed it was an Oldham County woman in her 30s with underlying health conditions. At the time, there were only 8 confirmed cases of COVID-19 on the High Plains. Fast forward to March 2021, after spending months in status level red with outbreaks at nursing homes, meatpacking plants, and prisons, the area's hospitalization rate has lowered from its peak in the 40s and as of yesterday to 3.95% and returned to status level yellow.
It's amazing that we've gone a year into this pandemic and the bimodal peak of cases that we had first in the spring when we thought we had a peak at that time, and then we noticed the real peak which came in the fall.
Now, over the last 364 days, we have seen over 500,000 Americans die from a coronavirus. But we've also seen the very rapid development of multiple vaccines using a novel RNA technology. And right now we have over 70 million Americans who are vaccinated currently.
A number of those vaccinated are here in our area. In January 2021, COVIDActNow.org reported the Amarillo Metro was leading the nation in vaccination rates. Since the first cases, more than 62,000 have been reported in our area. Of that number, more than 1,400 have died from the virus. Mayor Nelson posting on Facebook, quote, "While we grieve our losses, we are grateful for the progress our city continues to make in fighting the virus." In Amarillo, Judd Baker, KAMR Local 4 News.
Experts continue to urge the public to not let their guard down, encouraging those who can get the vaccination to do so and to continue mask wearing and social distancing. The City of Amarillo Vaccine Clinic opens at 9 tomorrow morning. According to AmarilloAlerts.com, there are vaccines currently available there.